still bobbing. We're good.
Yeah, do it again.
You're gonna run over Randy. Whoa.
Randy's hurting.
I gotta stand in the neck.
One more time.
Randy, you okay?
Yeah. Yeah, I feel good.
40 miles an hour this time.
Oh, hurt my head hit. Oh, my head hit hard.
It looks like they hit hard.
Oh my fuck.
It's on 11 feet.
My neck.
Woo!
Neck hurts. Fucking pack the boat up here.
One more time or what? Fucking guy.
That's stupid.
You gotta do a cannonball when you jump off though.
Yeah, then you skip and roll.
A 40-mile-an-hour cannonball.
Okay, you can do this.
Randy's fucking hurting. 40 mile an hour. That's what she was going when you guys jumped off.
Randy, you look kind of rough.
You know that when my legs hit, my head went bam.
It looked kind of like you did that though.
That was stupid.
Do it again.
It wasn't perfected yet.
We gotta practice.
I'm ready to go home.
High five, guys! Woo!
Alright, one more time.
Yeah! Oh yeah!